All right, welcome back .NET Cadets. Let's finish this. Okay, so we have now figured out how to get our double inputs. Now we can do the same for our people, but this time it's not a double, it's an integer that we're interested in. So we type int.parse. And then in here, we can do the same, console read line. And then we need to close like that. Now, a few things we need to do. You don't need this anymore. We can now select all of this, Control K, Control U. Now we see we need to do a few changes. Now we see that we need to output this and then not add a new line. We want them to input it here instead of a new line. We could do it with a new line, but I'm going to show you this way. So right here, go right. You can remove this $sign. We can remove this. Just for reference, what this part is doing is called string interpolation. So if you ever come across that, this is what it is. Anyway, away with you, away with you. And maybe now to make this more clear, instead of a question mark, I'll put this, and then I'll add a space here. So we expect input here, as we see it there. And to make that match, we're going to do this. And we're going to do the same for here. So our comments match what we're doing here. All right. Then let's see if we know how to do this. Yes, pressing Alt and arrow down, we can move this. We can put this under there. That's where we want it. And we can add a new line here for some space. We have to do the same here. This should also be right. And we can remove this. Do like that. Space here. Let's go up here. Move this down there. Okay, add a new line here. And now we can see what happens. Let's click. Let's do like this. Let's run it. Let's see if we haven't missed anything. Nice. This looks good. What was the total cost? Let's say 374.49. How many people are splitting the bill? 4. Each person should pay 93.62 kronor. That is expected value. And we can do that. And therefore do that by adding our F2 there. We're saying we're only interested in the 2 decimals. Without it, we will get the entirety of it. And now the program is done. Simple as that. Not more complicated than that. This section covers variables, output, and input. And even globalization and setting our culture, which some people will have an issue with. Until next time.